How many people here have heard of the EPS, Energy Performance Score? People familiar with that? Okay, it's somewhat new, kind of sponsored by Energy Trust of Oregon, and I just wanted to touch on that briefly, just to explain it. Where did mine go? In your brochures, the green one, there's one, so you can look at it later or look at it now if you like. So Monza Homes builds a great home, and one of the things they do really well is create this tight envelope, well insulated, efficient equipment, and one of the things that does is creates a superior home from the point of energy consumption. The EPS is an energy performance score, just like what it sounds like. How are you going to perform in your energy category? The score itself is this number here. First, at the top, we've got estimated cost per year, or this is per month, to heat or cool a home. Then the next score down here with the green sort of triangle is the actual EPS score. Each home is calibrated against, if you look on, you don't have to look down, but on this green triangle you'll see three different marks. One is a similar size Oregon home, typical home, similar size. One is a new home built to code. So built to code, you got to remember, is sort of minimum standard. You know, these homes are built above code level significantly. And then you've got this home. Now along this scale, in this particular unit, which is in this development over in Falco, this house scores a 54 compared to a new home built to code is an 80. So quite a big difference. And then the lower section here talks about carbon footprint and also has those three same homes measured on a carbon emissions footprint scale. And the carbon emissions has to do with what utility district you're in and whether you're PGE or Pacific Power, and because they have different energy sources. So it looks at how their actual transmission is created, if it's gas or coal or whatnot, hydro. So that's sort of the front of the sheet, and I think especially for realtors, it's nice to know that. So if you want to have that for a client or for, you know, as you're selling homes, you can have that out. And if you're selling a home like this, I think you want to be able to use this as a tool to show potential customers that, you know, this is a superior home energy-wise. Now on the back, it'll give a brief description and just sort of summarize the main features from an energy perspective, what your R values are for the ceiling, walls, floors, window efficiency. R value is, you know, what most people know of as an insulation factor. Higher is better. U is the inverse of R values, so lower is better. It's your R value divided by 1. Or if you want to go the other way, the U value is the, if you take the U value divided by 1, you get the R value. So the U value is actually a truer metric. It's how much energy goes through something, or the rate of conduction of energy through material. But